Hello kids! Today we are going to understand the difference between in and out objects. We will also learn to identify near and far objects. Let us start the lesson. First, we will understand the difference between in and out. The opposite of in is out. Can you see the cat? It is outside the box. Can you see the cat now? It is inside the box. Kids, now that we have understood the difference between in and out objects, let us learn how to identify near and far objects too. The opposite of near is far. Minnie is sitting under a tree. Can Minnie touch the snail? Yes, the snail is near to Minnie. Minnie was surprised to see a flying penguin. Can Minnie touch the penguin? No, Minnie cannot touch the penguin because the penguin is far from Minnie. Children, we have learned the difference between near and far objects as well. Now we will start an exercise all together. We will help Caleb to identify the near and far objects as well as the in and out things present in this room. So let's begin. This table is near to Caleb because he can touch the table. We are going to write N in this box. Whereas the fireplace is far away from Caleb because he cannot touch it. We will write F for far in this box here. Similarly, the fruit basket is far away from Caleb because he cannot touch it. We will write far F in the box here. The tree we see is also far away from Caleb because he cannot touch it too. We will write far F in the box here. Let us now identify the in and out objects. In this room, the fireplace is inside the room. So we are going to write inside I in the box here. The fruit basket is inside the room too. We will write I in the box here. The table too is inside the room. We will write I in the box here. However, the tree is outside the room. So we are going to write O in the box here. Let us repeat this exercise of identifying near, far, in and out objects in this room also. The bed is near to Caleb because he can touch it. So we will write N in the box here. The cupboard is far from Caleb because he cannot touch it. So we will write F in the box here. Similarly, the vase is far from Caleb because he cannot touch it too. We are going to write F in the box here. Let us now identify the in and out objects. The birds are outside the room. So we will write O in the box here. However, the cupboard is inside the room. So we will write I in the box here. The sun is outside the room. So we will write O in the box here. Whereas the vase is inside this room. So we are going to write I in the box here. The bed is also inside the room. So we will write I in the box here. Children, we understood the difference and learned how to identify objects which are inside and outside the room, as well as near and far objects to us. For your homework, please complete the exercise on identifying in and out objects as well as near and far objects from your book. Thank you.